If humanity vanished today, the Earth would devour our cities, our plastics, and our bones in just a few million years, leaving absolutely nothing behind. So when mainstream scientists tell you that we are the first advanced civilization to ever rule this planet, they are entirely guessing. Because 56 million years ago, someone or something triggered a catastrophic industrial event identical to our own. Today, we are hunting the ghosts of Earth's true first masters, not by digging up ancient temples, but by reading the planetary code. We call it the PTM, the Paleocene-Eocene Thermal Maximum, an era where Earth's temperature spiked violently overnight. Atmospheric carbon levels exploded. The chemical footprint left in the rock layers equals the entire output of our modern industrial era. Textbooks will tell you it was just massive volcanic eruptions. But astrophysicists Adam Frank and Gavin Schmidt proposed a terrifying alternative. What if that carbon spike wasn't nature? What if it was the exhaust fumes of an advanced, non-human civilization reaching its technological peak? Skeptics always ask the same boring question. If they existed, where are their buildings? Where are their spaceships? They don't understand that Earth is the ultimate recycling machine. Tectonic plates are constantly crushing and melting the surface. Over tens of millions of years, every piece of steel, plastic, and glass is subducted into magma and completely destroyed. The only anomalies that survive this brutal crushing process are O-parts, out-of-place artifacts scattered deep underground. Like the Antikythera mechanism, an analog computer full of precision gears found rotting in an ancient shipwreck. But physical artifacts are rare. If a civilization is truly advanced, they don't carve their legacy into fragile stone. They write their legacy into the most indestructible hard drive in the universe: biology. Have you ever wondered why 98% of human DNA is classified by scientists as junk DNA? It does absolutely nothing for our survival. Some geneticists quietly suspect it is a dormant storage library. A dormant code left behind by our predecessors, waiting for humanity to reach the exact technological threshold to unlock it. If we ever compile that ancient source code, we wouldn't just find their history. We would inherit godlike technology. But there is a terrifying catch. Why did they leave? If they were so advanced, why does the 56-million-year-old carbon spike exist? The answer might be frozen under 3 kilometers of solid ice in Antarctica. Satellites have recently detected massive, unnatural geometric anomalies emitting strange signals from the bedrock. The infamous Piri-Reis map from 1513 perfectly charts the coast of Antarctica without any ice. How did they know? They knew because the ancient texts weren't myths. The Sumerians, the Mayans, they were all describing the survivors of the previous cycle. Life on Earth is not a straight line of progress. It is a ruthless, repeating cycle of rise, arrogance, and total destruction. Great floods, sudden ice ages, massive solar flares. Earth has mechanisms to clean itself when a species becomes a virus. We are currently repeating their exact mistakes, digging, burning, and creating the exact same carbon scar in the atmosphere. If we don't break this catastrophic loop, we will just become the next invisible layer of rock for the species that follows us. But there is one final chilling theory. The Silurians didn't die in the global warming fire 56 million years ago. They saw the cataclysm coming. They built colonization fleets, and they evacuated the Earth permanently. They didn't go to another galaxy. They went to the closest, most viable refuge in our solar system. A planet that wasn't always a dead, irradiated wasteland. They went to Mars. And before their atmosphere was stripped away, they built monumentally massive structures to survive. Structures that are currently being photographed by NASA's own rovers, but classified from the public eye.
What if they are still dormant underground, waiting for us to arrive?
Look carefully at these exact coordinates. The ghost cities of Mars are not a myth.
The leaked, unedited NASA images proving their existence are right here in this next video. Click it now, before they take it down. The truth is waiting for you.